Hey guys, we're going to be unboxing the EyeKon from EyeKonect today. So this is the EyeKon from EyeKonect. It just came in the mail today. It's in a sealed box. It looks really nice, looks really sturdy, and I'm really excited to unbox it. So we just got the EyeKon from EyeKonect unsealed and ready to go. It has the EyeKonect logo on here with maximizing human connection. That's the EyeKonect's slogan. And on the back you can see that it has the specs and everything about the EyeKon itself. And now we'll go ahead and open it. So let's dive into the EyeKon. So basically this EyeKon already feels great in my hands, already looks awesome on both sides of the device. The back has this MagSafe back where the MagSafe logo is showing, indicating that it's safe for magnets to attach to its surface. And you can see right here that the EyeKonect logo is laser engraved into the back itself. And then now I want to show you the ports too, where the ports has a mini HDMI for Windows laptops and two small ports for power and data for MacBook and also Windows laptop as well, but the Windows laptops are only for the mini HDMI port. And basically that's meant for your device to be able to work whenever you get the wires and everything with it in the box that we'll show you later on. And now I want to show you the buttons that toggle for the display orientation and the LED lights. So the top one is for the display orientation, where you can go from portrait to landscape mode on your EyeKon screen for your laptop and computer screen that's projecting onto it. And then the bottom button is for the LED strips to go from mild light to very bright light in several settings that you can toggle it with. And basically this whole screen right here, the LED strips look nice with it, and the screen is like tempered glass, which feels really great. It's scratch resistant as well. And I think this EyeKon is really nice and really sturdy. It has some nice weight to it. And okay, now let's dive into the rest of the box. So the box, first you can see that it has an instruction manual, a user manual where it allows you to see how to use the EyeKon itself. And I like how it opens up all at once instead of in pages, so that you can go to any part that you need. And I believe the next one is the terms and conditions, where it's a standard thing in any technology product box. And then we'll see what's underneath this inlet whenever we take it out. It has two cables. One is an HDMI cable that allows you to connect your EyeKon to the laptop, and it will display what's on the laptop to the EyeKon. And this is the other cable, the Type-C cable, which allows you to power up the EyeKon by connecting to the laptop. And basically that's all that's in the box.
Like and subscribe, and visit EyeKonect.com.
Thank you for watching.